Hi, I'm Dan Miller from the Oyster Bay Boat Shop, and I just wanted to show you a piece of track that I got to bend for a customer of mine. The track has got to get bent. It says right here, a radius, ends up 8-foot radius. So we're going to take this piece of track and we're going to bend it from the bottom, and we're going to do it in our press over here. So let me walk over here, and I place the track in here, like this, and we're going to put pressure in the middle using this arbor press, and I'm going to bend it between each one of these holes. The reason you bend it in between the holes, if you bend it on the hole, it tends to break the track. Okay, so now I got a pretty good curve in it. I'm going to walk over here, slide this over here, and now I got a 48-inch ruler here, and so we got the first bend into it, and 48 inches because it's a 48-inch ruler, and when I put a ruler in the middle here, it tells me that I've bent this track to about 1 3/4. Well, we need a 3-inch bend to make it an 8-foot radius. So I'm going to bend it some more. Bring this over here. I'm going to turn it around end for end. I'm going to give this a little bit more of a twist. I'm going to put it back in the arbor press. I'm going to do it again. Okay, let's see what we got. We'll put back on the table. Put the ruler against it. So like this. It looks like the bend was supposed to be 3 inches by 48 inches, but it looks like right now I'm at a little bit more than 3 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down on the tabletop like this. I'm going to push it down here. I'm going to push it down here. I'm going to push it down here. Now this track's going to be bolted along the 4-inch hole spacing here. And that means that if I don't get the bend exactly perfect, the screws will help me make up the difference. So I pushed it down there a little bit, and this is right, exactly at 3 inches. So I now have a piece of track that's got an 8-foot radius, which is a 48-inch by 3-inch cord length bend, with the ends going up. See how the ends going up? Okay, that's it. I'm Dan Miller from the Oyster Bay Boat Shop. Thanks for watching.